Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a chimichanga. First, you're going to pour black beans into a bowl. Put the beans in the microwave for 1 minute. Pour oil into the skillet. Place beans onto the tortilla shell. Add cheese. Roll it into a burrito. Put the burrito in the skillet. Let it cook.